Hi everybody. Now let us discuss about one more question paper which is given in your previous exams. In this question paper, the topics were like this: atomic structure introduction, Thomson atomic model, Dalton's atomic theory, and Dalton atomic theory versus modern atomic theory. So if you observe the first question, Dalton proposed. So Dalton proposed atomic theory. So that is not model, that is not nuclear model of atom. So Dalton proposed atomic theory. So option B is correct. And if you observe the second one, the smallest indivisible particle is called. So the smallest indivisible particle is nothing but atom. So option A is correct. And see the third one. Maharshi Kanad said about that. So he said about that the Paramanus. So the word Paramanus is came from Sanskrit. If you observe the fourth one, the center of the atom is called. The center of the atom is called. So atom in the atom, the total mass is depend on the center of the atom. So in that center, there is the presence of nucleus. So the center of the atom is called nucleus. So option A is correct. And if you observe the fifth one, anu means Sanskrit word. The Sanskrit word paramanu. In that paramanu, param means ultimate and final. Anu means particle. So finally in Sanskrit word anu means particle. So option B is correct. And if you observe the sixth one, the particles which are present in the atom are called. So in the atom there are the particles. Those particles are called subatomic particles. Option A is correct. Option A correct. Subatomic particles. Param means Sanskrit word. Sanskrit word param means ultimate or final. So option C is correct. Final or ultimate. And if you observe the eighth one, protons and neutrons are called. So protons and neutrons are called. So these are present in the nucleus. So the particles which are present in the nucleus are called nucleons. So option D is correct. The word atomos is. So the word atomos is a Greek word. So the word atomos is a Greek word. From this Greek word, atom is extracted. The word atom is coming from the Greek word atomos. So option B is correct. Next, if you observe the 10th bit, mass of the atom is concentrated. So total mass of the atom is dependent on the center of the atom. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. Center of the atom. If you observe the 11th one, atomos is a Greek word that means indivisible. So from this atomos Greek word, the word atom is extracted. So the atomos means indivisible. So option C is correct. And if you observe the 12th bit, electrons can be located at. So in the atom, the center of the atom is considered the positive part, and neutrons like that is nothing but nucleus. Around the nucleus there are the electrons revolving around the nucleus. So option B is correct. Around the nucleus. Electrons can be located at the around the nucleus. And if you observe the 13th bit, matter is made up of. So matter is made up of very tiny particles. So option B is correct. Thomson atomic model is also known as. There are so many names for Thomson atomic model. Thomson atomic watermelon model, raisin pie pudding model, plum pudding model, apple pie pudding model. These are all the other names for Thomson atomic model. So option A is correct. And if you observe the 15th one, according to Dalton atomic theory, atom neither be dashed nor be destroyed. So according to Dalton atomic theory, atom neither be created nor be destroyed. So option B is correct. Neither be created nor be destroyed. And if you observe the 16th bit, according to Thomson atomic model, the watermelon seeds are. So the watermelon seeds are nothing but electrons. Option C is correct. And if you observe the 17th bit, atoms of same elements are sometimes same, sometimes different. So according to Dalton atomic theory, atoms of same elements are same, but modern atomic theory contradicts this point. So atoms of same elements sometimes different also. For this bit, for 17th bit, answers A and B both are correct. So if in the question according to Dalton theory, option A is correct. If in the question according to modern atomic theory, option B is correct. And if you observe the 18th bit, according to Thomson atomic model, red spongy mass is nothing but positive part. So option B is correct. And 19th bit, according to Dalton atomic theory, atoms can combine in dash whole number. According to Dalton atomic theory, atoms can combine in small whole number, but according to modern atomic theory, atoms can combine in big whole number also. So for this 19th bit, option B is correct, small. And if you observe the 20th bit, according to Thomson atomic model, electrons are dash particles. We have already discussed about this in the previous exam paper also. So according to Thomson atomic model, electrons are having no movement. They are embedded in the positive part. That means there is no movement for electrons. Those are static particles. So option A is correct. So according to Thomson atomic model, electrons are static particles. And if you observe the 21st bit, which has main role in a chemical reaction. So in the chemical reaction, the main role is atom. So atom has main role in a chemical reaction. So option B is correct. And if you observe the 22nd bit, according to Thomson atomic model, size of the atom is, so according to Thomson atomic model, size of the atom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. So that is nothing but 1 angstrom. So if you say it in another words in meters, so that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Option A. So for this question, the answers are option A and C. So that is nothing but option D. Both A and C are correct. If you observe the 23rd bit, according to modern atomic theory, in sometimes different elements have dash elements. So modern atomic theory, in sometimes different elements are also having same atoms like calcium and argon. Both are having the mass number is 40. And if you observe the 24th bit, according to Thomson atomic model, the stability of the atom is, so the stability of the atom is not explained in the Thomson atomic model. So option B is correct. And if you observe the 25th bit, according to modern atomic theory, in sometimes same elements have dash elements. So according to modern atomic theory, sometimes same elements have different types of atoms. Like if you take the example of isotopes of hydrogen, 1h1, 1h2, 1h3, these element is same, but the mass number is different. So according to modern atomic theory, sometimes same elements have dash elements, means different elements. Option A is correct. And according to Thomson atomic model, charge of neutron. So in the Thomson atomic model, there is no proposal about the neutron. There is no information about the neutron. So option B is correct. No information about neutron. And if you observe the 27th bit, according to modern atomic theory, atoms can combine in dash whole number. So here modern atomic theory, according to modern atomic theory, atoms can combine in big whole number. Option A is correct. Mass number of electron. So electron is having mass, but it is very negligible, so we can consider it as 0. So option B is correct. So mass number of electron is 0. Option B is correct. Let's see the 29th bit. Example for organic compounds. So example for organic compounds, here there are the options: water, proteins, HCl and all. So water is not a organic compound, HCl is not a organic compound. So option B, proteins are correct. The option B is correct. And if you observe the 30th bit, which are combined to form proteins, so protein is found by combine of a big whole number of small particles. So those small particles are nothing but amino acids. So option C is correct, amino acids. So number of amino acids combine in a big whole number to form proteins. So these are the explanation about these above 30 bits, and this is the key. You can check also key here. This is the key. Okay, if you have any doubts in this question paper and in these topics, you can ask in the comment section. So feel free to ask any questions in these topics. Thank you.